Hi children. Today we are doing color identification activity. Okay? What is this color? What is this color? What is this color? What is this color? Let's start the activity. Okay, children. Ashita, go and sit on the green color chair. Very good. Clap all of you. Next, Avigna, go and sit on the red color chair. Very good. Clap all of you. Good. Ritish, go and sit on the yellow color chair. Very good. Clap all of you. Yoita, go and sit on the blue color chair. All of you clap. Advaita, go and sit on the green color chair. Very good. Clap. Next, Vihan, go and sit on the blue color chair. Very good. Clap. Hemash, go and sit on the red color chair. Red color chair. Very good. Clap. Next, Trilok, go and sit on the yellow color chair.